The United Nations High Commissioner's first port of call was the presidential villa. During a closed-door meeting, President Muhammadu Buhari intimated the UN High Commissioner on Refugees, Filippo Grandi, on the Nigerian military's successful creation of safe passage corridors for IDP resettlers in the northeast, which has so far rehabilitated and resettled over 150,000 displaced Nigerians in their home communities from across the border. Following that meeting, the United Nations High Commissioner addressed the press.
This devastation of villages, towns, infrastructure, environment, that it is also devastation of human lives and the very texture of the community. And so it was very important for me to go there. Let me add that it was important for me to go there because I realized that there is strong commitment on the part of Nigeria to tackle this problem.
How to ensure judicious use and strategic application of funds realized have become an issue in Nigeria, especially with winds of controversy currently swirling around previous applications of IDP resettlement resources.
Ranging from procurement to financial controls to monitoring how the money is spent on the ground. Problems can always occur, but I think that the United Nations have a system which is requested and approved by the international community. These are usually government funds, so taxpayer funds, so we have a very important responsibility.
With 2.5 million Nigerians still displaced in the nation's northeastern region, the displacement of development inhibiting factors and effective placement of resources and people will surely determine the destiny of millions of Nigerians and perhaps by extension the future prospects of a region.